In this video, I'm going to answer some of the frequently asked questions about the UDF parallel model. Question 1. What is the parallel model? The parallel model technique is a user-defined function that solves the circular reference problem in project finance models. The standard practice to resolve for circular reference is to use a copy and paste code. The copy and paste comes with its own problems as it creates a need to run the copy and paste code anytime you change any inputs in the model, and therefore making the model slow to run. Question 2. Who made it? The UDF parallel model concept is developed by Professor Edward Bodmer. I personally learned about it from Professor Edward Bodmer's book Corporate and Project Finance Modeling, Theory and Practice, published in 2014. Throughout the years, he improved the concept and made it more user-friendly. Question 3. What does it solve for? The conventional copy and paste method to resolve for circular reference makes the project finance models slow to run. With complex model containing multiple tranches of debt sizing, refinancing, using the copy and paste method becomes timely. The time decline using the copy and paste method as compared to the UDF parallel model can be reduced in some cases by a factor of like 10 times. It also helps to audit your models by comparing your Excel formulas with the UDF parallel model results. For more on this, check out Ed's website. Question 4. Is it an Excel add-in? How can it be integrated with Excel? The UDF parallel model is composed of 2 worksheets and a VBA project containing multiple modules. You can transfer the 2 worksheets together with the VBA modules with a click of a button created by Professor Bodmer. Once the parallel model is included within your project finance model, then you just need to make the links in the UDF input sheet and get the results you need in the UDF output sheet. Once you have done that, you need to link the lines in your model that are causing circular reference to the UDF output results. In short, it's like an implant. You insert it, link it, and it becomes part of your model. Question 5. Is it difficult to work with the parallel model? It is simple, but not easy. It is simple because throughout the years of trial and error and rework of the technique, Professor Bodmer has simplified it to the extent that even if you don't know VBA, you should be able to understand and work with it. Once you start working with big models containing copy and paste, it will become so difficult to work with such models that you will see that it is worth it to take the time to understand this innovative technique. Question 6. Does it work with any financial model, or are they requirements to take into consideration before inserting the parallel model into the main financial model? First, the version available today is for project finance models, and it works best with models that are created based on best practice financial modeling standards. For example, if your model is not structured, meaning you have hard-coded inputs within formulas, you don't have a timeline and necessary flags and counters, you have duplicate calculation blocks, then you first need to restructure your own model and then insert the UDF. Question 7. Do I require to know VBA in order to be able to work with the parallel model? The answer is no. Let me ask you. So, do you need to know HTML in order to use the internet? It is the same thing. You can be a pure user of the parallel model, meaning you insert it, make the links and use it. Or if you need to make changes, then you need to enter into the VBA project with a couple of steps, make the necessary changes you need. The process of making changes to the code is not easy, but follows some simple steps. Where can I find more information on the parallel model? You can download the parallel model from Professor Edward Bodmer's website at edbodmer.com. You can also send me or either Professor Bodmer an email and let us know about your experience with the parallel model. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through a financial model which contains multiple copy and paste code, and I'm going to show you how difficult it is to work with such models and the necessity to insert the UDF parallel model in such models.